Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start immediately by choosing the tools that matter: a wide aperture lens and a camera you can control. Set aperture to the lowest f-number available, pick a mid-telefocal length like 50 mm or 85 mm, and place your subject several feet away from the background. Once done, move closer to the subject until framing is tight. This increases blur behind them. Make sure to enable single-point autofocus and lock focus on the eyes. You want sharp subject separation before you refine exposure. Now you refine composition and exposure to maximize the bokeh effect. Place specular highlights, fairy lights, sun through leaves, street lamps, in the background because those become pleasing bokeh discs when out of focus. Then balance exposure. Keep aperture wide, lower shutter speed just enough to avoid motion blur, and raise ISO minimally to maintain image quality. Once balanced, recheck focus and slightly recompose if highlights move. Doing so preserves subject sharpness, while making background lights melt into smooth, soft shapes. You finish by confirming focus and capturing several frames with slight variations. Use live view magnification to ensure eyes are razor sharp, then take multiple shots while nudging angle and distance to change bokeh character. If using a tripod, stabilize for longer exposures and switch to a slightly higher shutter speed if the subject moves. If the background looks cluttered, move the subject farther from it or change perspective so highlights dominate. Finally, if bokeh appears harsh, stop down one stop and try again for smoother discs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.